Understanding corner chisel in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, corner chisel. This phrase isn't just about tools. It's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. So, let's dive in and chisel out the details. A corner chisel is a tool used in woodworking. It's designed to cut and clean out square holes or corners in wood. But why are we talking about a carpentry tool in an English lesson? Well, it's because this term helps us understand how English combines words to form compound nouns. A corner chisel isn't just any chisel. It's specifically for corners. This combination of words for a specific purpose is common in English. Corner chisel is an example of a compound noun. Compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words to create a new word with a specific meaning. They can be written as one word, like toothpaste, two separate words, like corner chisel, or hyphenated, like mother-in-law. Understanding compound nouns helps in expanding vocabulary and comprehension in English. Let's see how to use corner chisel in sentences. 1. The carpenter used a corner chisel to create the intricate designs on the wooden frame. 2. In woodworking, a corner chisel is essential for precise and clean corner cuts. These examples show the practical use of corner chisel and how compound nouns fit naturally into English sentences. I hope this video helped you understand corner chisel and the concept of compound nouns in English. Remember, English is full of such interesting combinations, and exploring them can be both fun and educational. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.